Excuse me, brother. Oh my God, that thing said no. That thing on the floor. That's ridiculous. This ain't ridiculous. You be making me want to go get a camera. Like, what? That was a Juice Hunter. Juice Hunter. Juice Hunter. Hey, that right there? That thing can go. Those things right there can go. YouTube, this your boy ZayTRD. Head out to this little pop-up meet, you know what I'm saying? So it's about to be real lit, man. Don't know what to expect here, but you know, I'm working on getting some more reviews to my channel. Bring some more Toyota stuff to my channel too. I ain't did that in a little minute, you know what I'm saying? Whether it's meets or reviews or whatever, you know. Just, you know, out here trying to get this content for y'all. But yeah, man, I'll let y'all know when I get there. And then, you know, it is what it is, man. Oh, wait! Let's get it! It's time to get some chicken! Actions, you know, everybody loves the camera, you know what I'm
Nice.
saying?
It smells new.
Yeah,
It's
only like 6 months old, so yes, sir.
That's nice.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel too, man. Support the channel.
Hell yeah. Y'all
For
follow
sure.
ZayTRD?
Yeah, for sure, for
Hell
sure.
yeah.
Wait, what are you saying? Hell yeah.
To see on the inside. Dude, this thing is fucking cool.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you go over
Hell yeah.
I've seen this. Oh, shit.
Take a seat.
there.
That's a Toyota now.
That's toilet.
Damn.
Pop the hood. Yo, take a seat in there.
Oh, that got y'all.
How much horsepower does this thing make?
Huh?
What's it make?
It make 301 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque.
Who's Vans?
Who's Vans? Got a Camaro rolling up, you know what I'm saying? The man, some more cameras coming up though. They
Hell
tuned.
yeah.
Yes, indeed. Nice damn judging right here.
I decided not to say it.
Dang, this fucking huge, man. Nice BMW. M3 too? Okay. Hear the tips talking. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed.
Have you ever used it? Really?
Fucking fog on this thing.
Really? It works? Yeah. Is that one of the really nice ones though?
BRZ gang over here, man. Got the red Brembo brakes, you know what I'm saying? Got the Wayne gang, that's what I'll call it. Yes, indeed. Got these big old exhaust tips on here. Check out the Instagram, real low fresh. All Toyota gang, you know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. Look clean. Y'all see them wheels on that thing. Y'all see the wheels. Y'all see the wheels on that thing. Them mother clean, dog. Carbon fiber, big Wayne. Oh yeah, who this for? This mother clean, man. You got an Instagram or something you wanna shout out?
Sure, brz.tomas.
Alright, bet. Alright, for sure. This mother nice. Man, this mother clean. I like this big right here. Got the red all in there too. Oh yeah. This mother nice.
I sound like
BRZ, man. Genesis.
So expensive. Oh, you look.
Got the good old Genesis coupe. Probably the V. Yep. Got the Challenger. Only Mopar right here right now. Probably a RT. Got the V12. Got this Focus ST. This mother bright. mug is right. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. Damn. Got them big old tips down here. Got that. This fuck is nice. Yeah, this mug is clean, dog. That's the same rinse my homeboy got, I think. I want to say. It's nice, though. 1320 video. They ain't playing no games. Got the canards on there. I like the LED strip, though, right there, though. Y'all see that? Grim Speed. Yes, indeed. Y'all see that? Houston RS Club. Got the Nissan, I think. That's my clean. Right hand drive too. Ooh. Yeah, I like that. That's clean. That's a Skyline. I'm tripping. That's the R32. Okay. This yours, bro?
Yeah.
You got something to shout out?
Huh?
You got something to shout out? You got Instagram?
Texas
Something?
R32.
Texas R32. All right, bet,
Texas
bet.
underscore R32.
Oh, Texas underscore 32. Yeah, that mother nice. You need any mods to it?
Oh, it has Corrado air cooler. Not much. A little bit. It's pretty dirty.
It's nice. I like that.
So it's just the RB20 with the RB25 turbo.
Okay.
Corrado air cooler. And then
This is a big old engine.
straight six. So. It's fun.
Yeah, this is nice.
Gets down.
I bet it does. Okay, got the popcorn over here. Got the popcorn. Okay. Got this good old 350Z. He probably a drifter. True heart, you know what I'm saying? True heart. Got the dual tips, man. The dual tips. RS.
I mean, there's already no heat. This is straight in.
I like the detail on that.
Straight from
Nice.
import lot.
Got the bloody red seats in here. You probably can't see it though. The window tint pretty dark.
You know what's crazy?
Yes, indeed. Nissan 188.6. Oh,
You got new wheels or
look at the stance on this thing. Oh yeah, I like that. Well, clean. The engine.
you get new tires or like suspension?
I like
What do
this
you
one.
do?
This mug is crazy.
The guy that I'm doing pullovers from.
Come over here and get this thumbnail.
I got a
Where'd you buy it?
couple months ago.
And the mug was like super loud. I'm like, it must sound good though.
The Abarth? Yeah, it was probably the Abarth.
That mug clean. I think it's a white one though. Yeah, it like BMW 330i. Old school. Convertible. Okay. Like got a sword up in there. Yes, indeed. Oh, 325. Yeah. Hey, this mud nice. 140 on the dash, you know what I'm saying? Both I be drifting. Nice interior in there. I like that. Hey man, that car loud than a mug, dog. That car loud. They probably can't even hear me with the exhaust, but they're more loud. I see that 4C rolling through here, man. Okay.
Slow. Has it always been that slow?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Sheesh.
Okay, I see you. Pulling up and then open the door. It's nice. That is nice. 4C. Got the Ferrari lights in here. Narrow.
Well, you should have pulled up with the
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hey, it's coming on.
That's the
This
last.
thing is super low. Like probably 2 inches out the ground. This mug is super low, dog. That mug look good, though. I like that. I like that. How much horsepower you pushing?
Not much, like 240 crank.
240 crank? Okay, okay.
Actually, no, 240 wheel, my bad. Like 275 crank.
That ain't bad. These cars so light, too. Tune E85.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Alright, bet. You about to give me a little rev action. Okay. Let's see over here. Dang. Golly. That thing loud. That thing is loud. Yeah, them damn, them motherfuckers sound good though. I can smell the 85 though. Motherfucker. Hey, don't mess with this thing. Yes, sir. Everybody revving. Everybody revving. Got the good old Evo rolling through. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Good old Evo. Dang. Crazy. Popcorn for sale. Got the good old popcorn. Great. Yes, indeed. Car row seats. Okay. That sound good. That sound good. Hey, this look good. Yes, sir. This thing coming through. Okay. I see it. I see it. That was a clean little meet right there, man. I like that meet. That mother was nice. Got some crazy cars, man. But catch y'all next video. About to hit the Cypress. Peace.